Hello and welcome, learners. Today we're embarking on an educational journey into the powerful world of Zend Framework. If you're eager to expand your web development skills, you're in for a treat. In this lesson, we'll walk through the installation process and setting up your inaugural Zend Framework project. So grab your notebooks and let's delve in. What this tutorial will cover: 1. System requirements for Zend Framework installation. 2. Installing PHP and Composer. 3. Setting up a Zend Framework project. 4. Starting a local development server. 5. Navigating to your Zend Framework application. Before we delve into coding, it's essential to ensure your system meets the requirements for installing Zend Framework. Make sure you have PHP installed, preferably version 7.4 or later, as Zend Framework 3.0 requires PHP 7.2 or newer. Head over to php.net to download the latest version and follow the installation instructions tailored to your operating system. Additionally, you'll need Composer installed on your system. Composer serves as a vital dependency manager for PHP, facilitating the installation of Zend Framework and managing project dependencies. Obtain Composer from getcomposer.org and follow the straightforward installation prompts. Now let's proceed with installing Zend. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to your desired project directory. To install Zend Framework, execute the following command. Replace /install with your chosen installation directory. This command automates the download of the Zend Framework skeleton application, establishing a fundamental project structure. Upon completion, directory, then initiate the built-in PHP development server. This command launches a local development server, enabling access to your Zend Framework application by navigating to in your web browser. Us on this educational excursion. If you found this lesson valuable, don't hesitate to share.